Celtis occidentalis, a common hackberry, very closely related to the sugar hackberry, which you're also learning in this class. They're very, very difficult to tell apart. Some people will say that the Celtis occidentalis has a bit larger leaf. Honestly, if you look at them side by side, it's really difficult to tell them apart. This leaf is sort of this tapered oval. It does have a little bit, almost like a heart shape down here. It's really not usually quite as exaggerated as this, but you will find some like this. You have three sort of main veins with other veins coming off of those, the three that meet down here at the bottom. Sort of a broad spreading canopy. This is a really good example of the silhouette right there. The stem on the common hackberry, a zigzag, illustrating sort of the alternate simple leaf arrangement there. You have, similar to the sugar hackberry, you have these kind of greenish white flowers in the springtime, and then exactly the same type of berry type fruit, starting out green to purplish red and then maturing to black. The bark is the big difference. This has a very rough texture bark all the way up through the stems. All but the very newest stems have sort of a consistently rough texture to them. Both of these plants, the common hackberry and the sugar hackberry, are subject to gall, which is, it's actually called a nipple gall, which is a pest that bites the leaves, and then they get these sort of warty type projections on the leaves. So the leaves look pretty ragged and knotty by the end of the, with little knots on them by the end of the summer. And then you do have, just a pale yellow fall color, but it's mainly the foliage that sort of limits the ornamental use of this plant, but still very valuable if you have one, to not get rid of it, and also to provide a wildlife habitat.